trying to understand the universe. It's at least set things in motion such that at some point civilization understands the universe far better than we do today.
In a shocking revelation, Elon Musk claims the James Webb Telescope has spotted eerie city lights on Proxima B, sparking wild theories about alien civilizations.
If we are able to go out there and explore star systems, there's a good chance we find a whole bunch of long-dead one-planet civilizations.
Is this a sign of advanced life lurking just beyond our reach, or something more sinister? Buckle up. This discovery could change everything we know about the universe. Elon Musk's shocking claim. On January 11, 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, made headlines worldwide. The telescope, a powerhouse of advanced technology, detected something incredible: water vapor in the distant exoplanet K218b atmosphere. Water vapor is a known building block for life, so this discovery immediately sparked excitement. Yet even as scientists celebrated, an even more electrifying rumor began circulating. Could there be signs of artificial lights on a nearby exoplanet, Proxima B? Then, the buzz intensified. Elon Musk, the visionary CEO behind SpaceX, announced something that stunned everyone. The JWST had allegedly captured city-like lights on Proxima B, a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the star closest to our Sun. If true, this discovery could redefine our understanding of the universe. During an impromptu press conference alongside NASA's top astronomers, Musk revealed that JWST's infrared sensors had picked up unusual light structures on the planet's dark side. These lights were consistent and spaced out, just as city lights on Earth appear from space. Could Proxima B actually host intelligent life? Musk's revelation sent waves through the scientific community and beyond, raising questions about the possibility of alien civilizations. News outlets and social media lit up as people debated the implications. Were these lights on Proxima B truly from intelligent sources? NASA's leading scientist, Thomas Zurbuchen, even admitted that the observed lights didn't look like anything seen in natural space phenomena. "This is unlike anything we've ever seen," he stated, noting how the light patterns had structural arrangements that seemed beyond nature's usual scope. Musk, never shy about his dreams for humanity's future among the stars, took the opportunity to urge scientists and world leaders to develop technologies for long-distance space travel. He argued that with the right propulsion systems, humanity could reach Proxima B within a human lifetime. Some found Musk's vision bold and inspiring, while others expressed caution about making contact with a potentially advanced civilization. Is humanity ready for such a monumental encounter? Could these lights signify an advanced society watching us from just 4 light-years away? If these lights are indeed from an intelligent source, it could become one of the most significant events in human history. Exploring Proxima B. Imagine sending miniature probes at incredible speeds to a distant world, light-years away. This is the vision of the Breakthrough Starshot (BTS) initiative. BTS aims to propel gram-sized, light-sail Pico spacecraft toward Proxima Centauri B, an exoplanet circling the closest star system to ours, just over 4 light-years away. Aimed with powerful lasers, these tiny explorers could travel fast enough to reach Proxima B within a human lifetime, offering us the chance to see and study this mysterious planet up close. Now, Space Initiatives Incorporated is taking on this ambitious concept, backed by NASA funding to explore the practicalities. What new insights might we uncover from their work? Could Proxima B hold any signs of life? Proxima B, a rocky exoplanet, sparked worldwide curiosity when it was discovered in 2016 by a research team led by Dr. Guillaume Anglada-Escudé from Queen Mary University of London. Located in Proxima Centauri's habitable Goldilocks zone, Proxima B orbits at just the right distance from its star, where conditions might allow for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. With a mass estimated to be about 1.17 times that of Earth, it could have a solid crust and possibly Earth-like conditions. But there's a twist. Proxima B's host star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf, notorious for its intense solar flares. These flares could pose major challenges for any potential atmosphere or life forms on the planet, possibly stripping away gases needed to support life. Despite this, the quest to understand Proxima B continues, as scientists investigate whether its unique environment could still sustain life, perhaps in ways that differ from Earth's. Several observatories, including the European Southern Observatory, have dedicated significant time to studying Proxima B's atmosphere and surface. Dr. Ignasi Ribas from the Institute of Space Studies of Catalonia is one of the scientists leading the charge, using advanced methods like radial velocity and transit photometry to probe the planet's composition and search for any life-friendly elements. Adding to the excitement, the James Webb Space Telescope recently captured intriguing light emissions from Proxima B. These lights, with varied shapes and patterns, have reignited interest in the possibility of intelligent life. If these light emissions are artificial, it would suggest Proxima B might host the first evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. This is just the beginning of the journey for scientists like Dr. Ribas and Dr. Anglada-Escudé. Their ongoing research could eventually reveal Proxima B as a world brimming with endless possibilities. How JWST is redefining our search for life in the universe. This exciting potential is made possible by groundbreaking technology. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, a revolutionary eye on the universe that took decades of dedication to bring to life. Beginning its development in the 1990s, NASA's vision truly began to take form in 2004, when construction started at Northrop Grumman Aerospace Systems in Redondo Beach, California. Launched in December 2021, JWST is not just another space telescope. It's the largest, most powerful observatory in existence, and its mission could reveal secrets of the cosmos we've only dreamed of. Originally intended to succeed the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST now stands as far more than a mere replacement. With its massive, gold-coated 6.5-meter mirror, this observatory captures infrared light from some of the most distant parts of the universe. This unique feature allows it to peer into phenomena that older telescopes couldn't touch, providing us with detailed views of galaxy formation, stellar births, and planetary evolution. One of JWST's most groundbreaking tools is transmission spectroscopy, which lets scientists analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets by studying how light passes through them. This method can reveal potential markers of life, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. Led by exoplanet atmosphere specialist Dr. Klaus Pontoppidan, JWST is already shedding light on distant worlds, potentially habitable for life forms beyond our understanding. Imagine finding traces of water vapor on planets light years away. JWST is turning that possibility into reality. Although JWST was primarily designed to study ancient galaxies and probe the dark ages of the universe, its infrared sensors have proven exceptionally useful in the search for new exoplanets. For instance, the telescope has detected unusual light patterns on Proxima B, a planet orbiting our closest neighboring star. These surprising observations have turned JWST from a historical investigator into a current-day cosmic sentinel, sparking curiosity about what kinds of phenomena might lie out there. The scientific community is abuzz, and debates are heating up. JWST is no longer seen as a device aimed only at the past. Its impact is extending right into the present, with new discussions on the potential of finding technological advancements beyond our planet. What if JWST could lead us to evidence of intelligent life? The possibility is no longer science fiction. It's now a goal at the forefront of exploration. As JWST probes deeper into the cosmos, it's reshaping our view of humanity's place in the universe. Could the answers to life beyond Earth be within our reach? Is Proxima B hiding alien lights? Mysterious lights on Proxima B, a rocky exoplanet orbiting the star Proxima Centauri, might just be the hint of something extraordinary, a sign of life beyond Earth. The possibility has intrigued scientists and sparked lively debates. Proxima B is close by, in cosmic terms, orbiting the closest star to our Sun. Recently, dim blue-tinted signals were detected on the planet's surface, and their organized, clustered patterns bear an uncanny resemblance to how city lights look from space. Could these lights be artificial? Some researchers think it's possible, suggesting that they might be generated by advanced technology, potentially by a civilization far more developed than ours. To visualize these signals, astronomers have been observing Proxima B with cutting-edge tools, like the James Webb Space Telescope. The infrared images capture these lights in a structured layout, suggesting an intelligent design. This regularity fuels theories that the lights may not be natural, but rather a product of some advanced civilization. If true, this would be a revolutionary finding, the first real evidence of extraterrestrial life. Yet, not everyone is convinced. Other possible explanations include volcanic activity, unique atmospheric effects, or mirror ice, all of which could potentially create light patterns. But these natural causes struggle to explain the strikingly even distribution of lights. Dr. Thomas Zurbuchen, former head of NASA's Science Mission Directorate, hinted at the importance of rigorous study, noting that these lights' organized nature deserves deeper investigation. Whether or not they prove to be artificial, something is happening on Proxima B, and scientists are keen to find out what. This discovery could reshape our approach to space exploration. If an advanced civilization exists on Proxima B, we would face profound questions. What could their society look like? Would they be friendly or hostile? How might we communicate, or should we even try? These lights have sparked a wave of interest in looking beyond Mars or the Moon, directing attention toward potentially habitable exoplanets where signs of life might be found. As we ponder these questions, Proxima B could hold secrets that redefine humanity's role in the universe. Are we prepared to meet another intelligent species, or are we, as one scientist suggested, merely on the brink of understanding that life as we know it might be far less unique? The lights on Proxima B could signify a turning point, a chance to connect with a society that might have existed long before us, and perhaps holds the key to deeper cosmic mysteries. Is Proxima B hiding an ancient advanced civilization? If the lights spotted on Proxima B are proven to be artificial, it raises a fascinating possibility. Could a civilization there be billions of years older and more advanced than ours? Proxima B, the planet where these signals were detected, is around 4.85 billion years old, older than Earth itself. This gives any life forms plenty of time to evolve, possibly to technological levels we can barely imagine. With such an immense head start, It's possible they could have mastered energy systems, built complex communication networks, or even developed star travel, things that we might one day achieve ourselves. But what if they're far more advanced than us? The discovery of such a civilization would bring up many questions. We'd have to consider their technology, but also their culture, their morals, and how they deal with conflict. Dr. Jill Tarter, co-founder of the SETI Institute, suggests that such a civilization might have already visited our solar system, but decided to stay silent for now. If that's true, we face an unsettling thought. Do they know we exist? And if so, why haven't they made contact yet? The possibility of an advanced civilization brings both hope and concern. If they've overcome challenges like sustainable energy, climate change, or even immortality, their knowledge could be revolutionary for humanity. But there's also a risk. A huge technological gap between us and them could lead to dangerous consequences. In history, when less advanced civilizations have met more powerful ones, the results were often harmful. The question is, how would we even begin to interact with them? It's crucial to understand their values and objectives before making contact. Are they explorers seeking knowledge, hermits who avoid others, or aggressors with plans of conquest? If the society on Proxima B exists, they might have a completely different view of the universe, one that doesn't even align with our understanding of life, morality, or communication. Humanity's reach into space is growing fast, and with that comes the possibility of new interactions, some of which could be far more complex and dangerous than we've imagined. Could we be ready for such an encounter? Only time will tell. The Great Filter. The discovery of what might be lights on Proxima B has stirred the debate about the Great Filter hypothesis, a theory that could explain why, despite the vastness of the universe, we have not yet encountered extraterrestrial civilizations. This idea, first introduced by economist Robin Hanson, tackles the paradox of the universe's size and the apparent absence of advanced life forms. The Great Filter suggests that at some point in the development of a civilization, a barrier emerges that prevents further progress. This could be a monumental challenge, like the ability to leave one's home planet, or even catastrophic events that halt any civilization from advancing. It implies that intelligent life might be common, but most civilizations never reach a stage where they can explore space or communicate across the stars. Could Proxima B be the answer to this puzzle? Imagine this. What if the civilization on Proxima B has already overcome its Great Filter? If that's true, it could mean that technological advancement and intelligent life are far more common than we think. This would suggest that humanity has already passed through its most difficult stages of evolution and might be on a path similar to Proxima B's civilization, possibly even sharing common challenges. The idea of intelligent life surviving long enough to travel light years away could change our understanding of life in the universe. However, there's another possibility. If the inhabitants of Proxima B are still advancing, it may indicate that the Great Filter lies ahead of us. In this scenario, civilizations, no matter how advanced, eventually encounter a destructive force, self-destruction, environmental collapse, or even threats like gamma-ray bursts or rogue AIs. This would be a chilling reminder that even though Proxima B's civilization might be flourishing now, they and we are living on borrowed time. The closer Proxima B is to us, the more we are forced to reconsider our own destiny. Are we rushing toward the brink of extinction, or are we ready to face the challenges that await? As more evidence is gathered, the Great Filter hypothesis makes us wonder, if we do reach out to communicate with another civilization, Could that be dangerous? Could we be vulnerable to forces we can't yet understand? Proxima B's proximity and potential insights into the survival of civilizations raise profound questions. Are we really prepared for what lies ahead? The Great Communication Challenge. Could humanity really send a message to an alien world? Proxima B, just over 4 light-years away, presents an unexpected test for our communication abilities. The vast distance alone poses a massive challenge. Radio signals would weaken as they travel through the intense radiation from Proxima B's star. To make matters worse, sending a message would take over 4 years to arrive, and the response would take just as long. Real-time communication? Impossible. Imagine waiting nearly a decade just for a simple exchange. But that's not all. What if the inhabitants of Proxima B communicate in ways we can't even imagine? They might use light patterns, chemical signals, or methods completely different from our own. Dr. Douglas Vakoch, president of METI, Messaging Extraterrestrial Intelligence, warns that even basic symbols and gestures could fall flat if their language doesn't include what we consider common signs. Any message we send would need to be encoded carefully using advanced technology and a whole new approach. What if it's even harder than that? Sending a message to Proxima B isn't just a technological issue, it's a social and ethical minefield. Imagine the possibility that the alien species doesn't even want to talk to us. They could be avoiding contact for their own reasons, or worse, they might see us as too primitive to interact with. A simple gesture of goodwill might be taken as a hostile move. Just think of the risks. One wrong signal and the consequences could be catastrophic. So, what does first contact look like? The answer isn't just about sending a message, it's about sending the right message. That means more than just advanced technology. We'll need linguists, ethicists, and anthropologists to craft messages that won't offend or confuse. What if we use something universal, like mathematics or science? These have a higher chance of being understood, no matter how different the civilization may be. But even with the best preparations, it's crucial that we don't rush. After all, sending a message before receiving one could change everything. The stakes are incredibly high, and every decision matters. As we step into this unknown frontier, we must tread carefully, because once we make contact, we can never go back. The ethical dilemma of contacting life on Proxima B. What if life really exists there? Should we even try to make contact? As thrilling as the possibility is, it comes with deep ethical and philosophical dilemmas that could change everything we know about the universe. Imagine a world where humanity is no longer at the top of the food chain. What would it mean for our sense of identity if we discovered that Proxima B is home to intelligent life? The idea of meeting an alien species challenges everything we've believed about our place in the universe. We could no longer consider ourselves the sole advanced civilization. So how would that affect how we see ourselves? Philosophers, theologians, and even everyday people would have to reassess their beliefs. Would we embrace a broader, more interconnected view of the cosmos, or would it push us into an existential crisis? What if there's intelligent life on Proxima B? The temptation to make contact could be irresistible, but the consequences are far from certain. Historically, encounters between different human societies often led to one being destroyed or radically changed. Could this happen again, but with alien life? Dr. Jill Tarter, co-founder of the SETI Institute, urges caution, reminding us that any decision to make contact could have unpredictable outcomes. Would these beings be peaceful, Or could they pose a threat to humanity itself? But it doesn't end there. If we do find intelligent life, how would we approach them? Should we share our advanced technology if they are less developed than us? Or, if they have greater knowledge, would we be willing to learn from them, even if it means losing some of our autonomy? These are tough questions, and they challenge the very foundations of our moral principles. How much interference is too much when dealing with another society? If we're to make contact, we must first ask ourselves, what are the risks, and what are the potential rewards? This isn't just about asking whether extraterrestrial life exists, it's about how we would deal with it if it did. The stakes are high. Could beings from Proxima B become allies, or would they be a danger to humanity? The idea of interstellar communication is thrilling, but it requires careful thought and a well-formulated moral approach. If humanity is to reach out into the cosmos, we need to be ready for what we might find. The universe is vast, and the future is uncertain. But one thing is clear: the risks and rewards of making contact with Proxima B could reshape our entire existence. The mystery of Proxima B. The recent discovery of strange lights on Proxima B has set the scientific community buzzing. Could this be proof of an advanced civilization? The idea of encountering a society so close to Earth raises more questions than answers, and the risks are just as thrilling as they are terrifying. The possibility of a highly advanced civilization nearby could mean humanity is no longer the dominant species in the universe. What if these beings view us as insignificant or even inferior? As famed scientist Dr. Stephen Hawking warned, interacting with extraterrestrials might be as dangerous as a visit to a zoo, where we're the exhibit. Miscommunication could easily lead to conflict, with our simple gestures misinterpreted as hostility. But what if Proxima B's inhabitants are already aware of us and have purposely chosen to stay hidden? A decision like that could mean they're protecting themselves from potential harm. Or worse, preparing for something catastrophic. But what happens if humanity decides to make contact anyway? The revelation of intelligent life could shake global politics. Nations might race to establish contact, but the competition could quickly escalate into space wars as countries vie for control over resources and strategic space territories. The rise of space power could shift the global balance in unpredictable ways, with new weapons developed for use beyond Earth's atmosphere. This is a dangerous game, one that could tear nations apart or lead to conflicts over space dominance. Moreover, if we do make contact, there's the risk of cultural imposition. Just as Earth's history shows the dark side of imperialism, the same could happen if we try to spread our technology, beliefs, or way of life to an alien civilization that isn't ready for it, or worse, doesn't want it. A technologically advanced Proxima B might even see Earth as ripe for conquest, turning us from explorers into prey. The stakes of this first interstellar encounter are high. It's possible that our actions could determine the fate of both our civilization and theirs for centuries to come. So, what will happen next? Space exploration. As the lights on Proxima B stir excitement, humanity's focus on space exploration is shifting. If these lights are indeed artificial, Proxima B could become the new center of interstellar research. Organizations like NASA, ESA, and SpaceX could soon direct probes to this distant world, with the possibility of sending crews there in the future. However, the journey to Proxima B is no easy feat. Even with cutting-edge technology like ion thrusters or warp drives, reaching this exoplanet would still take decades. The Breakthrough Starshot initiative, led by Yuri Milner, and the late Stephen Hawking, aims to send light-sail probes to Proxima Centauri, which would take about 20 years to reach the star system. These tiny probes could reveal more about Proxima B, perhaps even sending back images of its surface. A human mission, though, is another story. With current technology, it would take thousands of years to reach Proxima B. To make such a mission feasible, scientists are exploring concepts like nuclear fusion engines, antimatter propulsion, and even astronaut hibernation. A successful mission to Proxima B would require a monumental, multi-nation effort, one that pushes the limits of current technology and sparks new international collaborations. The discovery of Proxima B's potential lights could open up a new era in space exploration, but it also comes with immense responsibility. As we push into the unknown, we must ensure that we proceed with caution, respect, and a well-thought-out plan for whatever or whoever we may find. The future of humanity in space is in our hands. So, what do you think? Are we on the brink of discovering intelligent life? Or is there a natural explanation for those mysterious lights? We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.